What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back with the 2020 Volvo 760 VNL. And yeah, today's video, I think you guys seen it from my title, I almost hit a deer. I didn't hit a deer once, twice, almost. No, I'm just joking. It was only twice. I almost hit deer twice, and it scared me because if you guys didn't know, when you slam into a deer, it literally flies through your grill. I mean, this is plastic, right? It flies through your grill, hits your condenser on your other side. It goes through the condenser, goes through the radiator, the antlers. You know, if you hit a 5-point deer, I mean, that's just what it is. Plus the damage to your bumper, plus headlights, hood. I mean, up to $10,000 worth of damage. And I just rebuilt this thing. Don't feel like repairing it again just for a video of me hitting a deer. So I have to be cautious, and I bought something. And yeah, it's, I think, the best investment I have ever made. And it is right here. Check it out. The XGuard grill guard, one of the best on the market. If you guys ask around, I think you'll understand exactly what this guard is, and it is the XGuard model XG, and one of the best, guys. I did want to probably get like a smaller one, so this is the bigger version that covers up the whole headlights and stuff. I did want to get the smaller version, and then I thought about it. I was like, well, I don't think that's gonna do any good. I might as well get the biggest one there is. Also, I'm not just going to be installing this today, and it's not going to be an installation video type of deal. It's going to be something way better, since XGuard has a lot of videos on YouTube, on their website, of how to install this exact one on the Volvo, on the Cascadias and all that. I'm not going to go through the steps. I will link them down below. I'm also going to link this guard down below just so you guys can check it out. But yeah, this thing needs some work putting it on the Volvo. On the Cascadias, it's a little easier. On the Volvo, they provide extra brackets. I'm about to show you what it all came with. This thing is awesome, but I'm not leaving you guys there. I'm also installing some crazy nice LED bars. Let me show you. These are the AUXbeam LED color changing light bars I will be installing. A lot of people are gonna think I'm pretty dumb for doing this, but they'll be like, well, why are you putting color changing LED bars in the front of your grill guard? That's because I'm dumb. Everybody knows this, okay? And I want to pull people over. This thing, it pretty much strobes and stuff like that. I can turn on some blue lights. Dude, I got way too much traffic up in here, man. I can't even record these days. I need to get my own place, boys. Color changing bars, guys. Not sure if it's illegal or not. I guess we will find out. DOT will watch this video and arrest me, right? Yeah. So got a couple sizes here. I'm not sure where I'm gonna install them. Maybe like upright, 2 of them like that. Maybe right there. I'm not sure yet, but what I am sure about is they also sell LED headlight bulbs for regular cars. And I've been looking for a manufacturer that has been making these for a really long time. AUXbeam has, and they trying these out to give 2-year warranty. I mean, I'm obviously taking this and putting it on my wife's car because my wife's LED lights were pretty good. We used to buy Last Fit, and now we're switching over to AUXbeam because these seem like a better quality LED light bulb. Yeah, I love LED. You guys know me, I love my lights. I don't have any underglow. If you guys remember from when I used to work for a company, I got like underglow lights over here in my grill. I don't have those yet, but we'll start up with this first and go from there, then get underglow. But yeah, this is gonna look really sick. I got a couple ideas of where I'm gonna install these, and yeah, the color changing is gonna be pretty sick. I can't wait. We're gonna put the lights to the side real quick. That's gonna be the last step. We're gonna show night footage and all that of that. But yeah, these are the brackets that we need to install first. And it comes with the license plate holder for the front if you want it. I also got some extra, I think these are the light bar grips, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be installing those yet. We'll see if those are pretty sturdy. I mean, by the way, guys, this is solid steel. It's really, really heavy. These brackets are heavy duty. And this portion right here, this is where the main grill guard bolts up to. And man, this thing is thick, boy. First step is the Volvo has like an original bracket that holds the license plate. that needs to go. Next step is these little covers get popped off. I think it's from this side. Yep, this side pops out on these little ball things. This gets thrown away. A lot of people take these off and throw them away, but we actually gonna try to just drill a hole here and put these back on, but that's a little later. We're gonna do both sides, and then inside there's these bolts like you will see in the video of the installation the XGuard provided. 3 of those bolts get deleted, removed, and this whole bumper gets scooted a little bit. Let's do that real quick. Dang, this is kind of a pain in the butt, but I'm doing this the hard way. I should have turned the wheel, but I'm too lazy. It's not a big deal. So the new bracket is already went on, and tighten these bolts back up at I think they said 100 or 96 foot-pounds of torque, and you can see I got a torque wrench right here, and we're gonna do it 100. Click. Oh, yeah. Got this bracket installed. Everything looks Gucci. Pretty much this big bracket right here, that's the new piece, and it replaces this old piece. That thing is so thin compared to that. Let's go ahead, do the other side, and then start installing these, and then installing the main piece. Looking good, looking good. Then these brackets slide on very tightly in there, just so there's no play in there. I'm gonna slide those 2 bolts, and that do exactly on the other side. Also, forgot to mention that they also come with manual instructions if you don't, want to go on YouTube and find out how to put this on, with pictures, details, everything. I mean, very detailed, very nice. Why not? I actually use this in the video. So yeah, let's go ahead and install both of these sides. And I think I'm be able to, I had a, kind of a question of, can I install these back up? And a lot of people leave these off, but I think it's gonna be a good idea just to grind a piece out, slide this in, and put this back on. Will look a lot cleaner. Check it out. Did a little bit action right there. Let's cut this one out, put it in, finally install Big Mama. All right, I'm gonna try to lift this thing by myself and slide her on. These bolts back here, there's 4 on each side. They get torqued down to 200 pounds. Ugh. Click. Man, she looking beautiful. Got her all put up by myself, no help at all. Whatever this thing weighs. Yeah, psych, obviously. This thing is pretty heavy. This is what the truck looked like before, and now this is what it looks like. This is awesome. It just transformed the whole truck pretty much. Next step, I've already planning something out here. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with these. I think the best thing to do is place 2 of the bars parallel like this on each side, and then this longer one I think I'm gonna install on the bottom like this. I don't know yet. I'm gonna get a couple opinions here and there around the shop, see my best options here, and go ahead and install the light bars. Man, this thing, it's transformed. We have moved the truck to the shop area because I think you guys know the trailer little rebuild thing we were doing, kind of cutting through some episodes here and there, but check out what we got done on the front end. We have installed our license plates. A lot of you guys know I love my license plates. Also, we did the lights, and I guess the grand reveal, check it out. Yes, I know I know what you guys are thinking. This has to be illegal, right? For that answer, I actually don't know. I know a lot of people are gonna be wondering, like, why'd you just install everything, didn't show us the progress, all that stuff? It's because everybody knows I'm a truck driver. I have to leave, I have to come back. By the time I install one light, I have to leave again. By the time I rebuild a piece of the trailer, I mean, everything was interacting with each other and I just didn't have time. I just had to, boom, get it out of the way, install them, wire them up. I'm going to tell you and show you exactly how I did all of this, but it's gonna be less of a progress, all right? So obviously I didn't want to drill through these bars. They sell, I think these are called bull bar brackets or something like that, and it was really hard to find this size. I think it was a 2.5 or 2.75 size, really big bars. These were 2.5, these were 2.75 or something like that. I mean, thick, hefty boys, you know what I'm saying? So it was really hard to find them. By the time I found them, by the time I decided where to put them, I was very hesitant of even putting them like that. So why I put them like that is because I've never seen a semi truck with horizontal bars. Like, was that horizontal? Was that vertical? Yeah, my bad, vertical bars like this. So I thought it was gonna be something different. I really like them, but I'm afraid they look like, I don't know, police lights, right? They kind of do. So that kind of worries me a little bit that they look like police lights. And boys, I've tried it out at night with all the multiple colors. Yeah, it is really nice. I will be showing you that here in a second, but for right now, I think I'm going to show you guys how I mounted these. Obviously the bull bar brackets or whatever they're called, mounted these on the sides, these right there. You guys are probably wondering how it's going to open and is it going to be like, you know, touching anything. Let me show you. Slide these back like this to open up this nice XGuard grill, bumper bash, bumper bar, whatever you want to call it, and then you just take it and you slowly, oh geez, this thing is heavy, slowly put it down. All of these lights are wired, so I got this one going down, these two wires right there, this wire right here, the other one going down the grill. All of them are wired right here going through there, and I'll show you how I wired it through the engine bay. This is how it looks like with the hood open and the bar down. All the lights still there intact, none of the wires are touching. So this is where I got my wires going through this area right here, everything insulated, all 4 of these wires, and then they all go up right here, right there, all of them zip tied everywhere, all of them right there. And then we'll go to my batteries, all of them go down right there. I got 2 of them connected to one battery and then the other 2 connected to this battery. It really doesn't matter, LEDs don't really pull that much power, but I did, as you guys can tell right here, I did have to extend the power cords to about 2 of them because of the big distance we needed here. But yeah, everything's really good. I mean, the connections were really easy. I thought I was gonna be a hard time wiring this thing because I was so confused. I was like, man, I'm really bad at wiring. Hopefully this thing is not confusing, and it wasn't. AUXbeam actually provides really easy installation. You literally click and play. There's a little computer right there where you can control it through your phone. We'll be showing you that at night here in a second. And all of these little, you see these are the little modules that you can control through your phone. We have 1, 2, 3. All of them are separate distances because obviously all of the bars were like laid out a little bit differently. So yeah, everything works great. Let's quickly switch over to nighttime and show you guys what these lights got. It's kind of nighttime, but I will explain to you real quick. You do have to download the app, Happy Lightning app right there. It comes with the instructions, and to connect the Bluetooth, I got all my devices connected right there, and we can just turn it on like that. There goes the blue. I mean, I like the blue. I don't know about you guys. I don't know on the GoPro if it's gonna pick up exactly how this thing looks, but man, it looks so sick. Also, there's a bunch more. There's red, we got the orange, the light blue, slightly light blue, and then also we got different styles. Oh, am I blocking the camera? My bad. I've got different styles here. We got the red pulsing. We can do speeds. We got green pulsing. What is this one? Bruh. This thing looks so sick. White pulsing. Let's see where the cop lights are. What do we got? What do we got? We got blue flashing. Yeah, there you go. Bruh. I can turn up the speed even more. Bruh, don't... I don't know if the Oh yeah, the camera's not really quite picking up what's going on here. I'll put it down slower a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna be pulling some people over, boys. But mainly like emergency lights, yellow flashing like this. Looks pretty good. We got a purple, we got like something like that. Oh man, I don't know, boys. Are we gonna get in trouble for this? I mean, we might, right? But anyways, yeah, there goes the app. Let me turn on a really bright white lights. I'm just warning you right now that my camera, it really hurts to look into this thing, but bruh, it is so bright. Look at this beam. Oh my gosh, it's not even all the way dark yet, and it goes like all the way to that semi right there. Yeah. Maybe one of these needs to be adjusted more. It looks like it's going slightly more to the left. Let me see. No, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Bruh. I don't know about this, boys. I mean, from this distance, it looks like it's a lighthouse on wheels. It looks like it's just like a big rectangle light. Man, it is bright. It's gonna suck shining in somebody's eyeballs one day. Dang, this thing is bright. Bruh, it just looks like a square from far away until you get this close. Whew. When people see me on the road, I know you're gonna be really mad, but obviously I'm not gonna be driving with these lights on, so, you know, don't be scared. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be rolling with mainly orange, yellow, probably not blue. Probably orange. Nice lights, you guys understand how they work. Let's switch back to daytime. Boom, back to daytime. She is looking pretty and ready to go. I do appreciate XGuard for sending me this grill guard, and she is a little bit dusty, and that's, you know, obviously I told you guys, I do use her on the road. Even between this whole video that's been completed, I think I took this thing out already twice to test it out and stuff like that. DOT has not gave me any crap for this, but let me know in the comments below how dumb I am to put this much LED bars. I still have 2 more bars left. I'm thinking sticking maybe 2 more right here. Or I think the best thing to do is stick them back there. I think I'm gonna put one all the way on top, facing out this way. Or I was thinking putting them on the side facing out this way. Not sure yet, we'll do that a bit later. This is gonna be the end of this video, guys. I appreciate it so much for watching. I'm gonna leave links down below to AUXbeam, to XGuard, and check out their products. You are not going to regret buying it. I'm telling you that right now. Also, check out their LED headlights. I didn't show you guys hooked up to, you know, my van right there. Well, it looks like I wrecked into that, but I didn't. But yeah, check them out. I mean, XGuard is one of the best brands. That's why I needed their support in this video, because I knew I had to have the best, and they are one of the best. A lot of people like the silver, a lot of people like the black. I had to do the black because I'm actually changing out the whole look in my truck. I'm gonna be painting the grill, the chrome mirror caps and stuff like that. This thing is gonna look really different here in the next couple months. But yeah, check them out. Link in the description, guys. Like always, appreciate it. And the creation of this whole new look is here. It's going to be here to stay. We're going to be adding more stuff here and there. You'll see like underglow and all that stuff. Can't wait. Can't wait also for this rebuild to end so we can take our first load with this trailer. Like always, appreciate it for watching. Subscribe, smash like, and be safe out there. Deuces.